With new false lashes, lay them on your lash line with nothing on them. You want them to match your real lash line. You most likely will need to trim them. Always cut the false lashes from the outer edge because the inner edge is usually shorter lashes that you want to keep. Once they're cut, line them up on your lash line again to make sure that they'll fit. I suggest tight lining your lash line with a black eyeliner. This will disguise any spaces you have between your false lashes and your real lashes. Looking down into a mirror will help you apply your eyeliner. I use black duo glue and I squeeze a tiny amount onto a flat surface. I find this easier than trying to squeeze the perfect amount directly onto the lash band. Take your false lash and slowly drag or dip the lash band along the duo glue. Make sure you put extra glue on the ends as these are the parts that usually lift off the easiest during the day. Make sure all the parts of the lash band have some glue on them. Tacky glue basically means like sticky. It's when the glue is not wet but also not completely dry. This allows you to move the lashes around your eye to the perfect spot without it leaving glue all over the place. It also makes the lashes stick to the spot you place them in so they don't slide around when you move your eye. Let your lash glue get sticky for at least 30 seconds. It's better too dry than too wet to apply. Apply mascara to your real lashes to blend the colors together with the false lashes. Looking down into the mirror makes applying the lashes the easiest. Place the lash in the middle of your lash line and use a pair of tweezers to pull the lash ends into place. Make sure your lashes are not sticking straight up. You can move the lashes around as much as you need to get them into place. You want them as tight to your natural lash as possible, but make sure you're not gluing them directly onto your natural lashes. You can do this by squeezing your lashes with the false lashes once they are in place. You can add mascara on top of your applied false lashes, but I would wait until they're fully dried before trying to put mascara on them. I do not do this step, but if you find that your natural lashes stand out from your false ones, then you can do this. You may also want to curl your natural lashes before applying the false ones. I never curl my eyelashes, so I skipped this step. To clean up the extra glue, tap the bottom of the tube on a counter to push the glue away from the applicator tip. Lightly squeeze the glue tube and let go while scooping up the excess glue. This will create an airspace that will suck up more of the product than just dragging the tube across the glue. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.